Pooh. Grandma. You snoring, Mommy. You tired? You sleepy? Why you snoring? You had a rough night? You were sleepy, Mama? Yeah. Okay. You go back to sleep, Pooh. You go back to sleep.